Another script in the Backtrack suite is DNS Recon. This is a script written in Perl that allows, among other things, to ask for a zone transfer. However, if the transfer is not successful, the script will iteratively send further queries about individual computers. With a brute force attack, the script will check all the possibilities. If a server does not want to send you the entire zone, then you ask him for the data concerning individual computers one by one. We will now run the script and ask about the same domain as before, ugent.be. We found the information about the DNS servers and the servers that are the Kerberos Key Distribution Center. Now let's see how you can learn something about a specific computer. For example, we would like to find the SQL servers or mail servers of specific companies. We could search for mail servers by MX addresses, but it won't work with SQL servers. Now, we'd like to ask the DNS server if, in the zone it manages, there are any computers containing certain characters in their names. If we obtain this information, we could use it later to identify the infrastructure of a specific company. All we need to ask such a query is encoded in the fierce script. This script will help us to obtain information about the DNS servers of our test domain, ugent.be. Then we should specify a dictionary containing expressions we'll be looking for. Let's use the standard dictionary, that is, hosts.txt file. This dictionary contains many expressions, and that's why the result is similar to the one we've had earlier. You can prepare your own txt script with only those expressions that are especially interesting for you. This would allow you to ask the DNS servers about computers whose names could be telling in some ways. This information is publicly available. To search for it, you do not need to use dig or any scripts. You can use various web services for this. One of them is a service available at http://serversniff.net. It has visualization options. It will enable you to see that the main DNS server has a particular name and subservers responsible for their own domains. The report will feature as much information as can be collected. For an exercise, you can connect with this service and send a query about your favorite domain. The first threat associated with application layer protocols is that the attacker can gain information you'd like to remain private. Further problems relate to subsequent protocols of this layer.